Sell used tractor parts. What will you do with your grandpa's old tractor now if you don't have the slightest interest in agriculture? Sell the tractor, or better yet, the tractor parts. Unlike you, there must be some people who own a tractor but need replacement parts or accessories. There are many ways for how to sell your used tractor parts. If you want it hassle-free, then sell those parts to a tractor service shop. They need some parts when they do repair. However, expect that the tractor parts will be sold lower than its market value. If you can, then why don't you manage the tractor sales yourself? For instance, you can find some buyers in your town by using your network or posting an ad. You can even go directly to a tractor farm and sell the used tractor parts. You can use the internet, especially since many people are looking for tractor farm parts and tractor accessories. Whatever way you want to sell the tractor parts, be it directly, locally, or online, here are some tips that will be helpful. List all the tractor parts that are still functioning. You can even list the tractor manuals and the original packaging if it exists. This will give potential buyers the idea that the tractor parts are from a first-hand user. Check the tractor and try to use it to see some defects. You need not highlight these defects, but you might need to disclose these in case the potential buyer asks about it. Honesty is the best policy when selling used tractor parts. Don't be afraid to tell a potential buyer that the tractor body is somehow rusty. Used tractor buyers do not expect to get a perfect tractor, they just want to know the truth about the tractor parts. Ask a tractor service provider to fix some tractor parts. A working engine is far more profitable than a non-working engine. That is why your payment for the professional tractor fixer will be worth it. Know some things about the tractor parts you are selling. You may not know it, but the tractor parts you are selling might be the best in history. These might have topped the tractor sales in the last 9 decades. You'll never know unless you do some research about the tractor part brands and models. Don't forget that packaging is important. They say that first impression lasts and that love at first sight is true. Well, it is also true in selling tractor parts. So before you even allow a potential buyer to see the tractor, make sure that you did the best you can to clean the tractor parts and make them look brand new again. On the other hand, if you will be selling online, make sure that you get the best angles of the tractor parts. For you, your grandpa's tractor is just garbage. But remember the saying, One man's garbage can be another man's treasure. So don't hesitate to sell the tractor parts. There are some people who are looking for those parts and they might be willing to pay anything for the tractor part you are selling.